Right, if you recall from the first video, part 1, this is equation 3. So now we're going to work in the reverse. Here we'll solve this quadratic in Z and find the two values of Z that satisfy this quadratic. So we can rewrite this 8Z squared as minus 34Z minus 20Z add 85 is equal to 0. And further to this, we can factorize it as 2Z into 4Z minus 17 minus 5 into 4Z minus 17 equals 0. And finally, 4Z minus 17, 2Z minus 5 equals 0. So this gives us two values. Z is equal to 17 over 4 and Z equal to 5 over 2. But in addition to this, we have to evaluate what Z is. And we know we're given in part 1 video that Z is equal to Y add 1 over Y. And so now we can calculate for Y here. We know you can write this now as 17 over 4. So we're doing it for this value of Z, and then we'll follow it by the second value of Z. So this is equal to Y squared add 1 over Y. So all I've done is turn this into a single fraction by multiplying across here to get Y squared. So it's Y squared 1 over Y. And this allows us to write this being equal to 17 Y minus 4 Y squared add 4. So 17y is equal to 4y squared add 4. We cross multiply here, 17y equal to 4y squared add 4. And we can rearrange this as 4y squared minus 17y add 4 is equal to 0. Now we're solving this quadratic in Y, which allows us to factorize it as y minus 4 to 4y minus 1 equals 0, which gives us y equal to 4 and y equal to a quarter. So this brings us to the end of part 2. In the next part, I'll be calculating the remaining values for y using in the next case we'll be using 5 over 2. So we used one value of Z being 17 over 4. The next value of Z calculated was 5 over 2, and that will give us 2 additional values for y. And then finally, we'll calculate the values for x. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.